Hi, how are you? Be very welcome to this video. My name is Brian, and in this video I want to give my testimony and tell all my experience with LeanBioMe, and mainly give you two very important notices that you need to know before buying. Then I will ask you to stay until the end of the video with me that I am absolutely sure will help you make your decision. The second warning is the most important for you to have results with this supplement and also not lose your money. Before starting the video, I want to give you a very important warning that you need to know about LeanBioMe to not lose your money and harm your health. Not buy LeanBioMe by fake websites. Buy only on the official website where you have security and guarantee on your purchase. I will leave the link of the official website here below in the description and in the first fixed comment for you. Now I want to explain to you what LeanBioMe is and how I met this supplement. LeanBioMe is a dietary supplement for weight loss that claims to be a supplement formulated by doctors to control the healthy weight of users. It is the innovative formula that works to balance the intestinal bacteria to melt the unexplained weight in the body. The formulation is made with lean natural bacterial lineages that compensate the intestinal flora and make users achieve a lean and healthy body. The supplement is a convenient route as simple capsules can offer exclusive support to people, especially women, regardless of their age or weight. LeanBioMe helps reverse the bacterial imbalance in the gut microbiome and targets the cause of belly fat to make consumers lean and sexy as desired. Each capsule is manufactured in the U.S. following strict safety standards, ensuring safe dosing in daily routine. Well, after I found out about my ex-wife's affair, I ended up gaining a lot of weight because I almost went into depression. After I realized that I had gained a lot of weight and was far above my ideal weight, I started taking measures to try to lose weight, but I couldn't do several things, like for example, I can't do physical exercise because of a serious problem I had on my knees. So I can't go to the gym or anything like that. I chose to try to change the diet a little bit, but it was impossible because I had to go hours and hours without eating and ended up making me really sick. I decided to try something different, and that's when I talked to a friend of mine who was a doctor, and he told me about a weight loss supplement that was changing the lives of thousands of different people. Several of his patients were taking this supplement and losing a lot of weight in a natural and healthy way. He gave me the notice to buy only by the official website of the supplement. As soon as I got home, I entered the official website of the supplement that the doctor had given me, where I had all the information about LeanBioMe. I started to see everything about this supplement, and a lot of things caught my attention. I saw that it was a supplement totally natural and without contraindications. I saw several testimonials of people of different ages getting great results and saw great benefits of this supplement. These are some of the main benefits of LeanBioMe. LeanBioMe helps support healthy weight loss, accelerates metabolism, and burns fat faster from stubborn and sensitive areas. There are no chemicals included, which results free of side effects. Inclusions are 100% happier. And mostly I saw that the company responsible for the supplement offered a 6-month warranty to all customers, i.e., if you don't get any results in up to 6 months, you can ask for your money back. Of course, it is impossible that you have no results in that time. I decided to look at the available supplement kits and saw that the largest 6-bottle kit had the best discount among all and was also the complete treatment to achieve the best possible result with the supplement. I purchased the 6 bottles of the supplement, and I recommend you do the same to save as much value as possible and have the best result. Remembering that all this I mentioned is only on the official website that I am showing now, I will leave the link here below in the description and in the first fixed comment for you. Well, now you must be wondering if everything went well after completing the treatment with LeanBioMe. Well, the answer to that question is yes. LeanBioMe really works and is worth it. I lost more than 20 kilos with this supplement. It totally inhibited my appetite, ended my binge eating, it greatly improved my self-esteem, and made me no longer have difficulties buying clothes. Actually, this supplement was amazing in my life, made amazing things that I wouldn't even imagine I would achieve. Many clothes that were lost in my wardrobe came back to serve. I was very happy with these results I had with this supplement. Of course, that wasn't some kind of miracle or anything like that. Here is the second warning for you. The best results with LeanBioMe comes in the medium to long term. Of course, the first results you can notice in less time. You can notice the first results around 2 to 3 weeks. I talked to several people who took LeanBioMe and all noticed the first results in that time. Larger results come in the course of time taking LeanBioMe correctly. Well, that's what I wanted to tell you. I really hope this video has helped. Any questions, just leave a comment below that I will reply as soon as I can. Until the next time, stay with God.